Come test drive the 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, tire pressure monitor, 4th passenger door, front all-season tires, front-wheel drive. Come see the car for yourself.